Pull-ups are one of the most challenging yet effective exercises for the upper body. They are excellent for shaping and strengthening the upper body. In this video, I will explain how to learn pull-ups, the muscles they target, and what happens if you do pull-ups every day. So watch the video till the end, it's going to be interesting. Let's dive in. Pull-ups are fantastic for building strength in your arms and shoulders. By performing pull-ups regularly, you can effectively train your forearms and shoulders. Pull-ups are highly effective in developing upper body strength and improving grip strength, which is crucial for weightlifting exercises. A strong grip is also essential in other sports, such as rock climbing. Pull-ups are a vital part of strength training. When properly planned and executed, they develop muscles, maintain healthy bones, and support the cardiovascular system. What muscles do pull-ups work? Pull-ups are a functional exercise that engages many muscles in the upper body. The latissimus dorsi, the largest muscle in the upper back, helps bring the shoulder to the body, pull the arms back, and rotate them inward. Next are the trapezius muscles, responsible for moving the shoulder blade and supporting the arm. The erector spinae, divided into 3 muscles, runs along the thoracic spine. The infraspinatus muscle, located on the shoulder blade, aids in shoulder extension. Additionally, depending on grip and form, the triceps, deltoid, teres major, brachioradialis, biceps, and pectoralis major can also engage during pull-ups. How to do pull-ups correctly before starting? It's essential to thoroughly stretch the muscles of the upper body, as well as the tendons and joints. Grip the bar. Use a classic overhand grip, hanging from the bar with arms fully extended and about shoulder width apart. Pull up. Bend your arms to raise your chin to the bar. Ideally, touch the bar with the upper chest. Pause and lower. Hold this position for 1 to 1.5 seconds, then slowly lower your body while maintaining control. Avoid twitching, squirming, or using momentum to assist the movement. Tips for beginners: perform pull-up movements slowly and with control. Keep your body tense throughout the exercise. Minimize torso rocking and jerking. Fully extend your arms before starting the next rep. With proper preparation, anyone can work towards mastering pull-ups. Before beginning, ensure you have no health limitations or hidden injuries that could pose a risk. If you're new to pull-ups, focus on building a foundation. Start by hanging on the bar for a set duration. Aim for 10 seconds initially, and gradually increase the time. This helps strengthen the arms and back muscles essential for pull-ups and the gym. Use an assisted pull-up machine or resistance bands to reduce the load. Alternatively, try pull-ups on a low bar with your legs resting on a horizontal surface. This variation engages the back, biceps, delts, forearms, and psoas muscles. Benefits of pull-ups: once you master different pull-up variations, you'll experience various physical benefits, including a stronger upper body. The muscles developed through pull-ups will boost your confidence in tackling other challenging weight exercises. By the way, friends, don't forget to check out other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon.